The cue's a standout for two reasons. First, I almost tossed it when I found a mistake. That mistake turned out to be harmless and quite a gift because it gave me an idea for a stick made 100% of intentional mistakes. See this ring zig in and out, same time the other's zagging? I sanded that ring on sandpaper and screwed up both sides perfectly. Why aren't there any glue gaps? Because it's only off by a half of one of those skinny rings, and that error is distributed evenly across each face in the whole ring component. It works that way because the ring is 1/100 of an inch bigger than the core, and that allows the ring room to adjust just a smooch sideways. Can you imagine the optical illusion, hypnotizing mess an entire butt made of rings like this would be? Hell yeah! Anyhow, I decided to auction this extra high character cue button joint protector. Hope you love it.